Fact, less than 2% of all homes nationwide are sold from an open house. Now, this is a statistic from the National Association of Realtors. Now, there are reasons to have an open house, and we're about to go into those. But first, let's see some of the mistakes that agents may be making. Don't let this guy in your home to do an open house. Hey, come on in, take a flyer. Can I have all your information? Do you like me? I like you. You want to work with me? Hey, how you doing? Hey, there's some flyers, and if you want to sign in, just go ahead and look around. I'm a little busy right now. Yeah, no kidding. Hold on, someone just came in. Hey, go ahead and look around. These people, I tell you. Yeah, I want to go for a bike ride this weekend. You bet. Please, Lord, let me sell this home today. Now, all kidding aside, yes, there are benefits to hosting an open house for the seller, buyer, and real estate agent. Now, for the seller, yes, of course, it does just take one, and that one buyer may come to the open house, fall in love, write the offer, and bam, you are done. But more importantly, when you listed the home, your real estate agent took photos and videos. But the problem with those photos is generally they only highlight certain features of the property, and you have to allow that buyer to come in and to see if the rest of the home is going to be a good fit for them. Buyers, same thing. Once you see this property online, you're not seeing everything. You need to come in and see if it's a good fit for you. A couple other things to consider is every open house that you go to, buyers, you're learning the market. You're understanding price a little bit better, square footage, amenities, neighborhoods, all these things. It's going to make you an expert in our marketplace. So when it comes time to write an offer on the property that you want, you're going to be successful and get that property. The next thing that you want to do is interview the agents that's there. Ask them questions about that home, about the marketplace, about contracts, about agency relationships. Have that conversation and see if this would be a good person that you could work with over the next several weeks until you find the home that you want. Now, for the agent, of course, we are there because we want to sell that listing. That's why we listed the property. But we are going to be picking up some buyers during the process, hopefully. So it is a win-win situation for the sellers, buyers, and real estate agent. Thank you, sellers, for allowing us to hold these open houses. Buyers, thank you for coming in, asking us questions, and keeping us from sleeping on the couch. Knowledge is power. Patrick Graham with REMAX Capital Properties. Let's go shopping today.